YouTube, what's good? It's your boy KINGSLEDGE. You already knows my channel, SHOTTOHEAD. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Obviously, you can see this is an unboxing, as does the title says. And this is gonna be the Jordan 1 Made SE and size 10 right there. The colorway is gonna be team orange, black, and crimson tint. So I debated very well with that before buying these. They look a little bit like you know, the shaded backboard. The crimson tint looks a little bit like the sail colorway, but I mean it's a little bit off. But I feel like the blue on these shoes. Here, let me bring out the other one before I continue. I feel like the blue on this shoe doesn't go very well with it. I think if these laces had like white, if they were like white laces, it's gonna look very well or better, you know. So yeah, I got these off of Nordstrom for 120, and yeah, you're pretty much the same Jordan 1, team orange on the back heel, and on all the other sides, the black swoosh right here, it's in suede. The swoosh is suede, and on this side it's just tumbled leather. Midsole is the crimson tint colorway, and the bottoms is just orange, blue lacing. They threw in another black lacing and the crimson tint flat lacing with the blue that came stocked. On the thumb you have the blue in the team orange, and then shoe tree right out. There's nothing else to these shoes, just your basic Jordan 1 Made. Stay tuned for the on-feet action. And I might throw in some white lacings to see how it looks like, because I feel like white laces will do justice to these. Alright, until I see you next, go subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already subscribed, thanks for checking the videos out. Thank you for sticking with me this far. I appreciate all the love and support you guys are sending my way, and I promise you quality content is all that I am up about this time around. See you next. Peace out.
You love me, you told me that you need me, you told me that you'll always hold it down and never leave me. But look at your ass now, another hold down, get past round. Don't give it up free, put your hand out. Don't be thinking of me when you cashed out. I got it all understood, that you just no good. Bounce around from hood to hood. You told me that you'll always love me, but it's all good. I don't need that in my life, ho. Should've known that you were psycho. Now everywhere I go, you got me worried like you're 5-0. Why the fuck you do this shit to me? Just walk away if it's not meant to be. Look, she gave it up on the first night. Little ghetto boy still can't get right. All she wanna do is look for a fight. But I hit the road and I'm gone for the night. You talking like you need it, but I know you just fiending. Baby, keep on dreaming, cause I'm gone for the weekend. You know that I'm so cool, I meant everything that I told you. But save it for the birds, stupid bitch, you just don't know.
You told me that you love me, you love me. And I told you that I loved you, and then you played me for a fool. You told me that you love me, that you love me. And I told you that I loved you, and then you played me for a fool. Little way back when I'm back in school, looking for my kitty for my gangsta boo. A lot of hard times we sticking through. Ran with another, then it left me blue. So I went through some hoes too. I was young, played like a fool. In these streets with a player crew. What's a G supposed to choose. Some win, some lose. I know some homies that stay true. Got a broken heart and baby, that ain't cool. See me undressing you, I just wanna get next to you. More drinks on ice, mix Malibu. 151 pineapple juice. Do it all the way one night with who? Do what you gotta do.